Yeah, that's that row I was telling you about.
Huh?
That's that neighborhood I was telling you about where like Charlie Sheen like had his house on that show. But those houses are like right on the water. We did windows for a guy and his grandma lived on the top floor and he lived on the bottom and his deck went like right onto the sand. It was pretty awesome.
Really?
Yeah, could like literally open up all his doors and he was right there on the sand.
That's kind of cool.
But elevated up to where it's not creeping up into his house.
Yeah.
It was just like 4 feet up off the sand on a deck.
Is that land